Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we are diving into some fascinating irregular verbs that will elevate your French skills. We will explore the unique pattern of stem changing verbs such as appeler, jeter, préférer and compléter. Stick around as we break down their conjugations, provide practical examples and offer a fun worksheet to test your understanding. Let's get started. So starting with double consonant verb like appeler and jeter, these verbs follow a unique pattern where the consonants L and T are doubled when conjugated in certain forms. This doubling gives these verbs their distinct sound and rhythm. Let's explore how this irregularity plays out in the present tense. First, let's see how these verbs are conjugated in the present tense. Notice how the consonants double in certain forms. This is what makes these verbs special. Jeter, to throw. Jajet, tujet, iljet, eljet, nous jetons, vous jetez, il jette, elle jette. Appeler, to call. J'appelle, tu appelles, il appelle, elle appelle, nous appelons, vous appelez, ils appellent, elles appellent. Other verbs that work the same way are chanceler, épeler, rappeler, renouveler, riseler. Feuilleter, hoqueter, projeter, rejeter. Now let's put these verbs into practice with some example sentences. Je jette le papier, I throw the paper. Il jette des pierres, they throw stones. Je t'appelle ce soir, I'll call you tonight. Il s'appelle le médecin, they call the doctor. Let's explore a new exception group, préférer and compléter. These verbs involve a vowel change where e aigu in the stem changes to e grave before a silent ending, that is, in all the forms except nous and vous. This change is crucial for correct pronunciation and conjugation in the present tense. Let's see how it works. Here is how préférer and compléter are conjugated with the vowel change in mind. Je préfère, tu préfères, il préfère, elle préfère, nous préférons, vous préférez, il préfère, elle préfère. And compléter. Je complète, tu complètes, il complète, elle complète, nous complétons, vous complétez, il complète, elle complète. Other verbs that follow this vowel change pattern include espérer, répéter, célébrer, protéger, révéler. Let's put these verbs into context with some example sentences. Je préfère le chocolat, I prefer chocolate. Il préfère partir tôt, they prefer to leave early. Je complète ce formulaire, I complete this form. Il complète le travail, they complete the work. Now that you have learned the conjugation patterns, it's time to put your knowledge to the test with a worksheet. This will help reinforce what you have learned and give you some extra practice. Solve this worksheet and send your answer in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned in the description box, and we will get back to you if there is any correction. Hope you found this video helpful. Do remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful French lessons. À bientôt. Goodbye.